welcome back to Code with Bahuli, and today we'll be making our own AI image studio. So let's begin. So for that, first we'll import the libraries. Import Streamlit as st. Then we will import requests. ठीक है? फिर we will be importing urlib dot parse. So what does this line mean? So it basically imports that module and it is used like to safely encode the user's prompt so that it can be included in the URL. ठीक है? Then we will give a title to our page, that would be st title. ठीक है, st title sorry, title का t small होगा. We write here my AI image generator. ठीक है, or you can just give it an AI studio name. तो इसके बाद we will add a settings. We will be adding our settings का in the sidebar dot header में settings. ठीक है, we'll give it an art style, मतलब हमें images कैसे चाहिए उसके लिए we will define styles. Okay, we'll mention here st dot side. ठीक है, sidebar select box and in the bracket we'll mention the styles. For that we'll give a heading select. Okay, wait.
Select desired art style. ठीक है?
Then we'll be mentioning the styles. I'm just giving mistakes. Photo realistic. Then what else can I give? Anime. And then we'll be giving what else? Vintage Victorian assets. And sketch and 3D I'll add in the last. Sketch and 3D render. ठीक है? Done with this part, then we'll move into the next. We'll adjust this sidebar का width and क्या कहता है height of it.
st sidebar dot slide slider. Sorry. We'll keep a slider for image का height and width. Image width minimum value is equal to 256 and we will keep max value 768 and we'll keep the step as 64. Done. Height is equal to st dot sidebar and your slider. Right in the brackets. Same thing, image width और ये वाली box होगी. Swipe for the words. Same thing, same height लिख दो.
Then user prompt में we will be writing user prompt is equals to text format में हमें input चाहिए. So text input describe the image you want to generate. ठीक है. And then we will add a button over here. If SP button, we'll give a button for generating images. Generate image. User underscore prompt. मतलब right. यहाँ पे we'll write a spinner. So the rendering वाला जो मतलब image जब generate हो रहा होगा, तो at least the user can see that the image is getting generated. So rendering क्यों लिख दिया है मैंने? The image full prompt में we'll mention f string के अंदर we'll put user का prompt and art style, like whatever art style they will be selecting from the sidebars. Then also encoded, we'll write it outside. Encoded. Let me write this one. Encoded prompt. We'll write the same ऊपर का वाला urlib dot paris and quote के अंदर we'll be writing full prompt. Okay. Then for URL, we'll be referring to the image pollination URLF HTTPS TPS PS image dot pollination dot AI and उसमें अपना prompt जाएगा. ठीक है, and which would be the encoded. Done. इसके बाद we'll just mention the width and height जो ऊपर अपने describe किया है वो. So we'll be writing here width is equal to width and height is equals to height. ठीक है, done. Response के अंदर we will write requests dot get URL header में we'll put Mozilla का user agent. We'll be just mentioning here that user agent and forgot to put the quotation. Sorry guys. Here we'll be writing the Mozilla 5 point, I think that's enough. And उसके बाद हमें अपना response का status मतलब अगर successful हुआ उसके लिए we need to input the responses कि display क्या करना है message on the screen. So we'll be writing response status score is equals to 100, मतलब वो successful है, right? We had seen that in the last video. Success, image generated successfully. ठीक है, and that's done. After that, I'm not. नीचे I'll put else wala warning, but I need to mention some other things right now. For the image, that would be st image response content, then caption is equals to full prompt, and we need to use the container width is equals to true. ठीक है, and उसके नीचे I'll add a button to download that image so it can be stored in your devices. Download button, um download button, label is equals to download image, ठीक है, and data is equals to response dot content, and file name I'll keep it the standard. File name is equals to my AI underscore image dot png, and I'll write here meme ka MIM ka as image slash png. So what does this actually mean? तो फाइल नेम ये इमेज का डेटा डाउनलोड कर रहा है, ये वाला पार्ट डेटा, और ये MIME is specifying that the image will be in PNG format. ठीक है, and लास्ट में अगर एरर आ रहा हो, so we need to define that error. So we'll write else st error f API error, एंड जो भी रिस्पॉन्स होगा, रिस्पॉन्स स्टेटस ऑफ दैट कोड, वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. ठीक है, दैट्स डन. ओके, एंड यहाँ वाले ऊपर वाले ये वाले के लिए वी विल पुट अ वार्निंग इसके अंदर, दैट वुड बी st वार्निंग प्लीज add an image description. अगर यूजर विदाउट एनी डिस्क्रिप्शन, अगर if he or she is trying to generate an image, so it will give this error. टर्मिनल के अंदर we will be writing streamlit run image.py generator. You can adjust the image with your the standard one. I want the photo to be like a sketch of, I'll say, okay, a hot boy with beard. just trying to be delusional. Yeah. Rendering the image. ये गुंडा लग रहा है. Let's try photorealistic. So here it has given us an hot guy image with beard. ये थोड़ा सा कम गुंडा लग रहा है as compared to the previous one. So here you can see the caption. Yeah. And from here you can download the image. See, it's getting downloaded. You can also open it. Here you go. What else can we search? Okay. I don't know. What will it generate? Let's say. So it has given us a Pikachu image. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. With the next video, bye.